Hi students, good morning. This is Srinivasa Perumal. Today we are going to discuss about surface area volume, the surface area of sphere. So it's very simple. The basic is only for circular. If you know the circular concept, it is very simple. Let's move. Sphere means just consider a football. It's a 3D shape. So football like this one. Then take same radius of A4 sheet or any colors value. We need to the painting or we need to paste a paper around surrounding this football. So it's very simple. So we need the 4 paper of the same radius sheet to cover this ball. For example, I consider a radius R. So this is the football and the paper. So normally football have a black and white color. So we need 2 paper for white and 2 paper for black. So to covering this football entirely. So the surface area of a sphere is, how many papers we need? The 4 paper. So each paper the surface area is pi r square, but we need to surrounding the 4 paper to covering this football. So 4 times of individual sheet, 4 times of paper. So it's very simple, 4 into pi r square. So the final value is 4 pi r square. So it is a full sphere. Maybe I just cutting the ball into 2 pieces, 2 equal pieces. So just consider watermelon. Say full watermelon, it's a like, just consider it's a sphere and we are just cutting the 2 half. That means equal part, 2 equal pieces. So this value we already know. If a full sphere, they entirely need a 4 paper. So we need to cover in the green color. So it's a 2 paper is enough. So because the half of the value only. Then curved surface area of hemisphere equal to half of the area of sphere. So area of sphere is 4 pi r square, then 1 by 2 is multiplied by 4 pi r square, then finally we getting 2 pi r square. But this is only for CSA. But we need a total surface area, means just including top, that means the red color. So total surface area CSA plus top. So CSA we already know the 2 pi r square, then top value. So just look at, it's a circular one. So just consider the radius r. So the area is pi r square. And after simplifying, 3 pi r squared is a final answer. Exercise 13.4. Question number 4. The radius of spherical balloon is increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface area of the balloon in 2 cases, the first and second case. Let's move for the case 1. So radius is 7 centimeter. We need to find the surface area of the balloon. So we already know the formula is 4 times of pi r square. Just replace the value. 4 times of 22 by 7 is multiplied by r value is 7. So 7 square. So after cancelling, the square will be cancelled. So 4 is multiplied by 22, then 7. So the final answer is 616 centimeter square. Now move for second case. The radius r, the new radius I just mentioned the capital R. Maybe you choose any value r1, r2. It's our convenient. 14 centimeter. The same concept, same formula. So the area is 4 pi r square. Then 4 is multiplied by 22 by 7 is multiplied by 14 square. Just splitting the value, 4 is multiplied by 22 by 7 into 14 because of square. So after cancelling, this will be 2. Then 4, 22, 2 and 14. So the final value 2464 centimeter square. But we need a ratio. A ratio of two cases. For example, case 1 divided by case 2 area. Just substitute 616 for the previous value. The new one is 2464. So after simplifying, we getting 1 divided by 4. So the ratio of area in two cases is 1:4. Let's move for question number 5. A hemispherical bowl made up of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of the tin plating it. On the inside, at the rate of Rs 16 per 100 meter square. So the given value, diameter. So D is equal to 10.5 centimeter and we need radius only. So radius equal to D by 2. Then R is equal to 10.5 divided by 2. We are getting 5.25 centimeter. Now the surface area CSA is equal to 2 pi r square. Just replace the values. 2 into 22 by 7 is multiplied by 0.25 square. So after simplifying, we are getting 173.25 centimeter square. The cost is Rs 16 per 100 meter square, 100 centimeter square. So the total cost 173.25 is multiplied by 16, but it is not a 1 centimeter square, it is a 100 centimeter square. So we need to divide by 100. After simplifying, we are getting 27.72 rupees for total value. Thank you.